Did you know over 50% of Gen Z has switched to digital-only banks? That number is growing rapidly. Traditional bank branches are slipping into the past. The future of finance is digital, and it's time to understand why. Today, we're diving into the world of digital-only banks. These online-first financial institutions are reimagining money management. Younger generations specifically are driving this change. So what makes these banks so appealing? Let's break it down step by step. In the last decade, digital-only banks like Chime, Varo, N26, and Revolut have exploded in popularity, especially among millennials and Gen Z. Experts predict that by 2025, over 80% of young adults will transition to digital-only banking. Why? The convenience, cost-effectiveness, and a stark contrast to outdated traditional banks. Here's the challenge. Traditional banks rely on physical branches and lengthy processes. Long waits and tedious paperwork are no longer appealing. Driving to a bank just to wait in line isn't considered modern finance anymore. This is why many young consumers are turning to digital banks. Everything you need is right on your phone or laptop. Digital-only banks have emerged by providing attractive features. They offer lower fees, with no unexpected charges. Their super user-friendly apps allow you to check balances and transfer money easily. Instant payments and contactless transactions are essential today. Plus, you can access your account from anywhere in the world. Let's meet Sarah, a 28-year-old marketing professional. She switched to Chime a year ago and loves it. Sarah was frustrated with hidden fees and tracking her budget manually. Now Chime's app helps her set savings goals and track spending in real time. No surprise fees anymore. It saved her both stress and money. Sarah's story is not unique. Millions experience similar benefits with digital banks. What sets these banks apart is their continuous innovation. Features like Chime's Save When I Get Paid automatically move money into a savings account from your paycheck. Varo offers cashback rewards for debit card use. These ideas provide convenience, motivation, and flexibility unmatched by traditional banks. However, digital-only banking has its drawbacks. Critics note the absence of physical branches can feel isolating during complex issues. Also, these banks are newer compared to giants like Bank of America, meaning feature capacities may vary. In summary, digital-only banks provide convenience, bank from anywhere, anytime. Cost savings, enjoy lower fees and better interest rates. Efficiency, instant transfers with built-in budgeting tools. But there are trade-offs to consider. No in-person branches for personal service. Limited features compared to traditional banks, particularly concerning mortgages or wealth management. For many young adults, the benefits outweigh the downsides, which is why this shift will only gain momentum. Looking to the future, it's clear digital-only banks are not just a passing trend. This movement is transforming how we manage our finances. Young people are taking control with innovative mobile-first solutions matching their lifestyles. Is this the end of traditional banking? It's certainly a turning point, and only time will reveal the outcome. So, what do you think? Would you switch from your traditional bank to a digital-only option? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to know your experiences with digital banking. For deeper insights into financial trends, don't miss my next video about the rise of crypto banking. It's going to change everything we know about money.